Hello students, I am Dr. Vijeta Taneja, Assistant Professor SGMC IMS Noida. In this lecture, we will be understanding about journalism in a globalized world. In this lecture, we will also learn about the meaning of journalism, phenomenon of journalism and globalized society. Let's start with what is journalism. According to American Press Institute, journalism is the activity of gathering, assessing, creating, and presenting news and information. It is also the product of these activities. In general, the reporting of current events is known as journalism. Journalism is also the collection, preparation, and distribution of news and related commentary and feature material through print and electronic media such as newspapers, magazines, blogs, books, webcasts, podcasts, social networking, and social media sites, and email as well as radio, motion pictures, and television. Now, let us understand what is globalization. Globalization is the word used to describe the growing interdependence of the world's economies, cultures, and population brought about by cross border trade in goods and services, technologies, and flows of investment, people, and information. It is also the spread of products, technology, information, and jobs across national borders and cultures. In economic terms, it describes an interdependence of nations around the globe fostered through free trade. Mass media or journalism nowadays plays an important role in this phenomena by enhancing globalization, facilitating cultural exchange, allowing multiple flows of information, intensification of social interconnections, and apprehending the world as a single place. Now let's understand how globalization and journalism has changed after 1990. It was due to globalization only that the audiences turned from national to international. There were so many technological changes which were witnessed by all. There was sudden coverage of global issues. There was more participation of audiences. Now let's understand the relationship between media and globalization. International flow of information have been largely assisted by development of global capitalism, new technologies, and the increasing commercialization of global television. Deregulation policy is adopted by various countries in Europe and the US. Proliferation of cable and satellite channels. The consequences of globalization have been there for small regional news players like CNNization of television news, universalization of US style journalism, and homogenization of news structures and content around the world. Following mediums were prominent during 1980s, which witnessed the revolution after 1990s. In the case of newspapers, there was simultaneous printing of all the editions from various places. In case of radio, there was evolution of thematic and sub-thematic stations. In case of VCRs, there was great flexibility in terms of visual media. And lastly, in case of television, deregulation and privatization of the state-controlled mass media was there. There were certain milestones and trends in satellite transmission, such as development of cross-border TV stations, the boom in satellites, and the proliferation of installed bases of dish antenna over the vast regions of the world, partnerships among global media giants, concentration of mass media ownership. Some other important factors which contributed were like contemporary speed of change, enlargement of capacity for information transmission, proliferation of communications media, information and communication technology, improved communication and internet. So this was all about the journalism in a globalized world. Thank you for watching this presentation.